Okay, once again, this is Silent Trader. Today is January 5, 2026. We will be discussing about Axie. A lot of Filipinos, a lot of traders also invested in Axie, and some of them already exit their positions for Axie. And we will tackle what are the necessary formations and what are the significance of this market recovery of BTC. And will this be 2026 is the out season? Okay, let us discuss. First, we tackle the Axie and the weekly time frame to look at the overall um, market trends. Okay, okay. Overall, it's very bearish. No, we've seen a resistance also in weekly. Meron tayong the nearest resistance is here, right there. No, meron tayong support one. This is an inverse SNR. So nung una kasi support yan eh. Sa weekly time frame. But now it acts as resistance also. Okay. So the question is that will actually recover as BTC having the sideways and is now holding the 90,000 level. Okay. So weekly time frame still bearish. Let us also look at the daily time frame. Okay. Our indicator nagkaroon siya ng buy signal, okay? And also there is a switch of direction from this massive drop ng October up to January. So nagkaroon siya ng break and our target will be the resistance here, no? First is that the 1.82, no? Yan yung posibleng naabutin niya. And let us also discuss later on kung may chance ba na abutin itong target na to kasi a lot of people are now very bearish, no? So there are also sayings that whenever everybody is bearish, no, that's the start of a bull market or bull cycle, di ba? When everybody is bullish, that's the time na magkaroon ng bearish. Ganun yun, no? That's the cycle, no? Especially yung mga traders, they are looking for the dip. Whenever nakita nila yung dip, and then it's the time they keep buying. Every drop, they keep buying. So let us discuss also the intraday. So ngayon, it's a good sign that there is a slight recovery in the daily time frame. Let us check the 4 hours para makita natin yung overall picture. Okay, ngayon, as BTC broke the R2, which is the resistance 2, around 0.88, this is also the time when BTC recovers, especially other altcoins, no? And nung nagkaroon siya ng break sa R1, nagkaroon siya ng retracement, no? Which means that after breaking this R1 sa forest time frame, nagkaroon siya ng retest sa R2, and then nagkaroon siya ng retest again dito sa EMA 200. EMA 200 kasi yung yellow line natin. So ngayon, it is now currently facing also the resistance, no? Ito yung nagiging sagabal niya. So karoon siya ng retracement. Okay, ngayon, the good thing is that nakapag-recover siya sa 4 hours time frame, si Axie, and it is moving above EMA 200, no? That's a good thing. And maganda kasi dito guys, kapag nakatingin kayo sa 4 hours time frame and there will be a squeeze of price, all you have to do is to go deeper, no? Punta ka sa mga lower time frame, just like 15 minutes, para makita natin yung overall picture. So ngayon, we are facing resistance but maganda ito i-trade, no? Kailangan natin timing itong si Axie. So paano ba, no? Let us go to 15 minutes and we'll try to look at the entry. So ngayon kasi nagkaroon siya ng bounce, no? And I am expecting that if the market will try to retest this high, no, there will be a continuation, no? Kasi pwede siya magkaroon ng sideways formation diyan eh, no? Magkaroon siya ng retest, pagkatapos ng retest, drop na naman siya, and then bago niya i-break, no? So, breakout trade tayo pag ganito, guys, no? Huwag kayong sumalo sa ilalim. So, breakout trade tayo whenever the market will break this resistance, especially the R1 on 15 minutes, and we will open a trade dito, guys, no? And then, our stop loss will be below. That's a good risk reward, no? So, kasi yung expectation natin, 1.8 yung target natin for the daily time frame, no? So, that would be our entry, no? Ang lakas ng hataw ng daily time frame and especially also yung hataw ng IMA 200 yan nung nag-break siya. Okay, that's how we evaluate the Axie. Overall picture, bearish siya, but because there is a recovery on Bitcoin and Bitcoin also reclaimed the 90,000, which is very crucial for investors to get in kasi nag-aabang sila dyan nung break ng 90,000. So, which means that as long as Axie is above EMA 204 time frame, there is also a higher chances that on our daily time frame our target will hit, no? Ito kasi yung target natin, no? Ayan. Di ba around 1.8, no? So, tingnan natin, no? I want to see some breakout, no? Tingnan natin tomorrow or in the following days. So, if nakapanood ka ngayon, you need to wait until mag-break siya dito. No, kasi nasa above EMA 200 na tayo. Eh. So, whenever it breaks above here, yung around 1.9, and it will reclaim $1, it will try to continue above. No? So, unti-unti yung tataas. Okay? That's all for our Axie analysis. Thank